L-Assoċjazzjoni Maltija tal-Infermiera Psikjatriċi jitfadaw fuq l-effetti psikoloġiċi li ħallew ir-regoli tal-Unjoni Ewropea fuq il-prattika tal-kaċċa u l-insib mill-kaċċaturi Maltin. 61% spiċċaw isofru minn problemi mentali u kellhom saħansitra jirrikorru għal għajnuna professjonali. Dan fil-waqt li 21% tal-kaċċaturi kellhom jieħdu pilloli kontra d-depressjoni u 30% oħra kellhom jieħdu mediċina kontra l-ansjetà. One News kellem mal-infermieru membru onorarju tal-assoċjazzjoni Martin Ward illi ħadem fuq dan l-istudju.
Is this a common problem with hunters? I mean, do they usually go through these kind of health problems when...
No. I mean, I think, with the survey was undertaken over a 3-month period, which was in the middle of the ban on hunting had already been imposed and the ban on trapping was about to be imposed. So one could argue that the one variable that was constant for all of the sample was this change in legislation.
Ward qal li l-kaċċaturi għandhom jaħsbuha jekk introduċux il-passatemp tal-kaċċa u l-insib lil uliedhom minħabba li meta jsiru adulti jistgħu jsibu li ġew imċaħda minnu.
Because there was this link between young people starting hunting and trapping at an early age and then having problems when they were in adulthood. It was something like 83% of the whole sample had been recruited through their family, through family or tradition. We concluded from that the hunters and trappers of today really need to consider whether it's appropriate to introduce their children to something which they may be denied when they get older.
L-istudju sar fost 780 membru tal-Federazzjoni Kaċċaturi Nassaba u Konservazzjonisti l-FKNK. Martin Ward sem jgħid li dawk li jagħmlu l-politika għandhom joqogħdu attenti kif jolqtu lil gruppi ta' minoranza bħalma huma il-kaċċaturi.